benefits of installing a kitchen chimney at home. Chimney helps keep your home smoke-free by absorbing smoke and fumes. The basic and most important function of the chimney remains to suck in the smoke and fumes that arise when cooking. This prevents the smoke from escaping into the sitting room and subsequently choking those around. This is a primary feature of both an affordable kitchen chimney as well as an advanced kitchen chimney, and helps ensure healthy lungs for all the family too. Inhale clean air during this pandemic. Such a wind keeps the kitchen walls oil-free. A lot of Indian cooking is traditionally oily and involves a lot of frying. Did you know that the fumes which arise from the cooking also contain oil particles, leading to the formation of fry? A chimney typically sucks in the oil and prevents it from sticking to the walls, thus maintaining cleanliness and longevity of the decor. Also, this means lesser cleaning in the kitchen. Chimneys help recycle the air. If you install a ductless chimney in your kitchen, the charcoal filters purify the stale air that enters the chimney and passes purified air back into the kitchen. A smart move for a smart household. Reduces the amount of heat while cooking. By sucking in all the hot air before it gets a chance to dissipate around the kitchen, a chimney typically helps in reducing discomfort when cooking. It adds to the style quotient. When you are spending so much money on keeping your home looking good, why compromise with the kitchen? The kitchen is where all the good food reaches you from, which makes a good-looking kitchen a requisite for the perfect host to churn out the best dishes and look good in a chic surrounding when at it.